Are you looking for a way to make money on YouTube without having to appear on camera? If so, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll be sharing a highly effective method that I can prove to you is still working today. To demonstrate the effectiveness of this method, I'll be using a website called Social Blade, which shows the ad revenue earned by different YouTube channels. As an example, I'll be showing you the data from a channel called Turopia, which is making around $15,000 per month just from YouTube ad revenue. But that's not all. I'll also be showing you how to create videos more efficiently and how to generate even more income by using additional streams beyond just YouTube ad revenue later in this video. This method is not being utilized by Turopia or many other channels, so you'll have a unique advantage. As someone who has been trying to make it on YouTube for years, I can tell you firsthand how difficult it can be to get noticed and make money. There are so many talented creators out there, and it can be tough to stand out. That's why I was excited to learn about this particular method. It seemed like something that anyone could do, regardless of their talent or experience. Now, let's get started. Turopia is a travel-themed YouTube channel, and in my opinion, it's one of the best niches to start with because it gets a lot of views and there are endless video ideas. You can make videos about cities, states, countries, or regions, or about the cultures and attractions within those locations. The method I'm going to share with you is simple and just requires basic Google search skills. I'll be walking you through the entire process step by step, including how to research and create content that is optimized for ad revenue and how to use additional income streams such as affiliate marketing and sponsored content to maximize your earnings. I'm confident that with a bit of effort and by following the steps I outline, you'll be able to replicate the success of Turopia and other channels using this method. So if you're ready to learn how to make money on YouTube without ever showing your face on camera, make sure to watch this video in its entirety, follow each step carefully, and consider subscribing to this channel for more helpful tips and strategies. The first thing you should do to get started with this method is to choose a niche for your channel. We've already established that the travel niche is a good choice. Later in this video, I'll share some tips on how to set up your channel in this niche. But first, I want to give you an overview of the strategy so you can understand what's involved and get mentally prepared. It's important to take this first step because, unfortunately, the vast majority of people never even get started. If you're in that 1% who is willing to take action, you'll already be ahead of 99% of others. So I want to give you that extra push to get you started because if you don't take action, none of this will matter. Once you've chosen your topic, the next thing you need to do is decide on a title for your first video. The title is really important because it's one of the first things people will see before they watch your video. If someone doesn't like the title, they won't watch it. The picture that goes with your video, called a thumbnail, is also important, but we'll talk about that later. Here are some tips for choosing a good title. Try to find other popular videos on the same topic and use a similar title, but it's not that easy. A common mistake is to make a title that doesn't have any keywords that people might use to search for your video. When you're just starting out, most people will find your videos by searching for them. If you have less than 1,000 subscribers, it's especially important to use good search words in your title. If you want to know which words are the most popular to use in your video titles, you can use a tool called vidIQ. There are other tools like this available, but vidIQ is one of the best and it's my personal favorite. It's free to download and use, but you can also pay for a premium version with more features. When you enter a title into vidIQ, it will give you an overall score based on how popular that word is for your YouTube channel. The score will be very different for every channel because some channels have more subscribers than others. To choose a good title for your video, try to use words that have an overall score of at least 40. This is important because when you're just starting out on YouTube, most people will find your videos by searching for them. If your title doesn't have any popular search words, you might not get many views. For this example, I might use this title because it has a score higher than 40. You can use this same title too. Once you understand how this works, it will be easier to keep doing it. I'll also show you how to do this process over and over again. I'll also be showing you this free software that will do most of the work for you when creating your videos later in this video. So if you'd like to get started with vidIQ, you can click the link in the description below this video. So I want to share with you this helpful template that you can use when it comes to this process. Because most quality faceless YouTube channels will use a template because what typically will happen is people will outsource this work, so you want to create a checklist for them. So here I have my title for our video, 3 most beautiful countries in Europe. It might not be grammatically correct, but that's okay because we're using a tool called vidIQ to find popular search words. Now we're going to do some research online. Just type your title into Google and click search. You'll see a lot of options. Let's use the United Kingdom as an example. Type the UK for the first option. Next, copy interesting fact and paste it into Google, then add your country. For example, interesting fact about the UK. Now you'll see a lot of resources with interesting facts about the UK, but you should also find information about the UK's culture, history, food, tourist destinations, etc. Find things that you think people would like to learn about and that are beautiful or interesting, especially if they're planning to visit that country. You can find all this information on Google and copy and paste it into your template. It's just that easy. I'll do it myself off camera so I don't waste your time. I'll find 3 beautiful countries and 3 interesting facts about them. Okay, that took me about 2 minutes. I found these 3 beautiful countries and an interesting fact about each of them. Now, it's important to make sure you're including a variety of information in your video. You want to keep it interesting and engaging for your viewers. So be sure to include a mix of interesting facts, cultural information, and visuals to really showcase the beauty of these countries. After we've gathered all the information we need for our video, we can use a website called invideo.io to automatically create the whole video for us. So to access that software, just head over to invideo.io. You can use this website for free or pay for a premium version with more features. First, create a free account by clicking Sign Up at the top of the page. Then click Text to Video and choose one of the templates. You will see a variety of different templates you can use here, and you can choose any one you'd like. Make sure it's in landscape mode. I'll choose this one as an example and click Use Template. Copy your title from your template and paste it here. Then for the story, you're just going to add your country and interesting fact for each slide. Make sure you click Enter after each part so it's easy to read. You want to include a variety of information in your video to keep it interesting and engaging for your viewers. So I've written this here. Then you will want to do the same with the other countries. So I have my 3 countries and the interesting facts for each of them. And you want to make sure you click Enter after each part here. So after I add my city or interesting fact, I'll just click Enter. So clearly this is a relatively short video, but I'm just going to keep it at that just as an example for this video. Make sure you have auto suggest images/videos checked and click Next. This software will use the information you typed and add it to different slides with images in the background and create a video for us. So if we scroll down, it includes what we wrote with different images. Usually you'll have to tweak some things to make it more fitting and readable, but it's usually fine and very straightforward. You can edit the font and text by clicking here. Preview the video by clicking play. If you want to use a video instead of an image, click video and search for a keyword. So I'll just search this, then grab this video and drop it right here. After you've added a video, you can then trim it to whatever length you'd like. If you can't find a video or image you like on InVideo, you can go to pexels.com to find royalty-free stock photos and videos. Just search for a keyword, download the photo or video, and upload it to InVideo by clicking Uploads and Upload. After you've edited your video, add an outro by clicking Add a Scene and writing something like, "Thanks for watching today's video. Make sure you subscribe to this channel for more videos like this one." Just write something like that. Then you can go to video here or image and search for a keyword related to your video and add that onto your outro scene. So I'll just add this one here. So next would be to add a voiceover for your video. You have a few options when it comes to adding a voiceover. To start, you have the option to either record the voice yourself using your phone or to use a computer program that converts written words into speech. If you want to record the voice yourself, click the record button here and start speaking. So I'll just say something like, "In this video, I'll be showing you the 3 prettiest countries in the world." Then you'll just click stop right here. Make sure to speak clearly and at a consistent volume. When you're done, click the stop button. So you can see here that this clip or scene is too long when aligned with our recording. You can just adjust the length of the recording by dragging the edges of the clip to fit the parts of your video where you spoke. Once you're happy with the length of the clip, click the add button to add the recording to your video. On the other hand, if you want to use a computer program to generate the voice, click on the automated text-to-speech option. So you can just write in here essentially what I said. "In this video, I'll be showing you the 3 prettiest countries in the world." From here, you can type out the words that you want to be spoken and choose the language and voice that you prefer. Once you're satisfied with your text and your chosen language and voice, click the generate button to create the voiceover and add it to your video. It's worth noting that you don't have to add a voice to your video, but it can help your video get more views. When you're finished making your video, click the download button to save it to your device. So once you have that downloaded, you will then want to get your YouTube channel set up. First, think about a name that fits your topic or niche. So for Touropia, it's fitting with their niche. Tour is related to traveling, so this is pretty straightforward to do. My channel name on this channel is Cashflow Worldwide because it's related to making money online. For example, if you're making videos about travel, you might choose a name like travel guide. It's important to choose a name that reflects the content of your channel and helps viewers understand what your channel is about. Next, you'll want to have a good profile photo that represents your channel. These are probably the two most important things when it comes to creating your channel. You can either use a royalty-free image from a website like Pexels, or you can create your own on a website called Canva. Canva is a free website that lets you create graphics and designs. You don't have to make your profile photo super fancy, just make sure it's clear and represents your channel. Once you have your name and profile photo ready, go to YouTube Studio by clicking here. From here, click on Customization, then click on Branding, then click Change right here. You just size it the way you want, then click Done. If you want to change your banner image, click Change under the banner image section, upload a new photo, and resize it as needed. When you're finished, click Publish to save your changes and see your new channel with your new name, profile photo, and banner image. It's important to make sure you set up your YouTube channel properly, as this will help you attract viewers and establish your brand on the platform. Now let's upload the video. To do that, click the Create button, then click Upload Video. Then drag the video into the space provided. The upload will start. Next, we need to add a title. We already have one, so we can just copy it from the template and paste it into the title box. There are different ways to write a description, but we'll talk about that later. Now let's create the thumbnail. We'll use Canva again. Creating a thumbnail is similar to making a title. You want to find a successful video that's like the one you're making and recreate their thumbnail. I used Canva to create this thumbnail based on a video from Teropia. I just added an image and added some text. Canva is easy to use, so don't be scared. Once you've made your thumbnail on Canva and downloaded it, go back to YouTube and click here to add your thumbnail. So that's what the process looks like for uploading your YouTube videos in your channel. So you're obviously watching this video because you want to make money through your YouTube channel. This is a business after all, and making money is an important part of it. One way to do that is through ad revenue. But when you first start out, you won't be able to monetize your channel through ads until you have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. This can take some time to achieve, but don't worry. There's another way to make money through your YouTube channel right away. Enter affiliate marketing. This is a way to earn money by promoting products or services from other companies on your channel. So since we are in the travel niche, you can search Google for best travel affiliate programs to find some programs to join. So I'll just click this link right here to show you some of these affiliate programs in the travel niche. Keep in mind that some programs might not accept beginners, so it's a good idea to do some research and find the right fit for you. In addition to searching for affiliate programs, you can also check out websites like digistore24.com and clickbank.com, which have thousands of products you can promote on your channel and earn commissions from. Both of these websites are free to use and can be a great resource for finding products to promote. So I'll just show you super quick as an example. It's very fast and easy to do. If we head over to digistore24.com, you'll need to create an account first. To do this, click the Register Now button and fill out the required personal information. Once your account is set up and you're logged in, go to the Marketplace tab. You'll see a list of categories to choose from. For this example, let's select a random product. To begin promoting the product and earning commissions, click the Promote Now button. This will give you an affiliate link, which is the link you want to share with people. If someone clicks on this link and makes a purchase, you'll earn a commission from the sale. One thing to keep in mind is that YouTube won't allow you to add your affiliate link directly to your videos. You need to customize it first. A website you can use for this is bit.ly.com. Simply copy your affiliate link, go to bit.ly.com and click Create New. Then click Link and paste your affiliate link. Click Create and you'll get a custom affiliate link you can copy and use. This is the link you'll want to use in your YouTube videos to promote your affiliate product and earn money. Now, if you'd like to get a really solid understanding of how to do affiliate marketing and make a lot of money with it, I left a link in the description that includes a free training that walks you through the entire process, so be sure to check that out if you're interested. Now, let's talk about the description for your video. You'll want to write something that explains what your video is about and then add your affiliate link. For example, you could write, "In this video, I'll show you the 3 prettiest countries in Europe." Make sure to include your title naturally like I did here. This helps with SEO, which stands for Search Engine Optimization. It makes your video show up when people search for keywords in your title, description, and tags. And then to continue on with your description, you could write more about your video and maybe just write down the countries you've included in your video, so I'll just go ahead and do that really quick. Then at the bottom of your description, add your affiliate link. Don't forget about tags. These are important keywords that help your video show up in search results. To find good tags that people are searching for, you can use vidIQ again. Just type your title into vidIQ and click Related Keywords to find other relevant tags to add to your list. Make sure to click Overall to see the score for each keyword. Anything above 40 is considered good. Once you've added the maximum number of tags, click Next and then Next again. Then select Public and click Publish. Your video is now published. And that's essentially how you can get started with this process. And like I mentioned previously, if you actually just start, you are ahead of 99% of people. Now, if you'd like a faster way to make money online, click this video right here where I'll show you 15 websites that will pay you in 24 hours.